Good morning, YouTube. It is 6:45, April 10th. Today is a good day. The weather looks decent enough. I'm going on the boat. So no more bass fishing for the day. Kind of happy about that. I'm hoping to hit an area I've scouted and it was suggested to me to go. And hopefully there's some redfish, trout, some snook. I'm really looking forward to that day. Today is also day one of the playoffs for the Dirty South Fishing League. Bildrats versus the Heathens. So I'm hoping to get some good fish today for my team. Day 10 means hat of the day, number 10. And today is Rhodan trolling motors. I bought a trolling motor myself for my boat, and I'm telling you, it has made a world of difference for my fishing. It literally adds more time to your fishing, even for a small boat like mine. I couldn't be happier. Rhodan is a great company, good customer service. They're a good company. I really do like them. They're locally based here in Florida, so if you need any service work done, it's real easy to get service work done. Rhodan, definitely worth checking out. Well, let's go down, hook up the boat, head to the ramp, and get out on the water. I'll catch you out there. Alrighty, we are on the boat today. It is not too bad. The wind and the weather is actually pretty good. So we're gonna start out here. We have an incoming tide. It is really low tide right now. So we are gonna see what happens right here. All right, I got a strike and he is fighting pretty good. What do we got here? Oh, nope. How the heck did I get you? That's not what I wanted to be doing. Mr. Stingray. This is going to be interesting. Yep. There we go. And there he goes. Not what I wanted to catch this morning first. So, must have been bouncing off the bottom to get him. All right. Oh, 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 oh. There we go. What do we got here? Sheephead? Yep, sheephead. Nice little guy. Come on, let go. I have to get the pliers. There we go. All right, sheephead, nice little sheephead. Catch you later. Okay, okay. Oh, there we go. What do we got here? Redfish. He is on my species list too. And I gotta get my tape. Alrighty. This is a quality fish. Small guy, but it is definitely on my species list. He is 13 and a half. Make sure I got a good
13.5. Riot control is my keyword. Good little guy. Got some points on the board at least. Nice redfish. Catch you later. All right, there we go. What do we got here? Little snookum. Little snook. All right, he is also on my species list. He's a little guy, but nonetheless, easy there, guy. Nice little snook, tiny little guy. Easy. He is 13. Riot control. 13. Snook, Bill Dretz. A little guy, but hey, they're fun. Alrighty, catch you later.
Well, that wasn't a too bad day. Got a few trash fish first thing. That spot didn't turn out too good, but towards the end of the day, got a little baby snook and a little baby red. So, and a sheephead. I forgot about that too. So that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that for you know, a couple hours out on the boat. I haven't been on the boat in quite a while, so getting back in the swing of things, and thank goodness. So I'd like to thank Rhodan for the hat of the day, number 10. If you haven't got a Rhodan on your boat, you need to get one. It actually changes the way you fish. I love mine. What can I say? Day 10, it's over. Like the video if you like it. Comment down below. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Still trying to get that 100 mark so I can get that custom YouTube name. Really appreciate it, guys. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.